Job Safety Analysis Number 5, Leading Out Dies at Press 8. Required personal protective equipment consists of safety glasses, hearing protection, hard hat, heat-resistant gloves, safety-toed boots, long pants, and long sleeves. Potential hazards include pneumatic cylinders, pressurized dies, burns, cuts, muscle strains, and pinched hands or fingers. Step number 1. Adjust the table and blocking. Make adjustments to be clear of any obstruction, and be aware of pneumatic cylinders, which can be unpredictable. Do not place any body part in front of the platen. Keep all TEMs out of the area. Step number 2. Break out die using camera and mirror. Close the blast shield and lead out the die very slowly. Hazards include die could break under pressure. Requirements: proper tools, supervisor is present, and to be hands-free while the press is running. If hands must be used, stop the press. Guide the extrusion to puller 1. Step number 3. Guide the extrusion out of the platen to the table. While extruding, only use lead-out tools and never apply your hands to the metal. Hazards include burns, sharp metal, caught between, and strains. If you must use your hands, stop the press, and then guide the profile from the sides. Close the blast shield. If either blast shield or camera are not working, notify maintenance. Follow the process flowchart for leading out dies, and do not continue until you have attempted the previous step. There are multiple tools designed for different dies. Use the tool best suited for your profile. Once complete, ensure that you return all of the tools. Upset conditions require the assistance of your supervisor at all times. The most important step is to stop and take a step back. Evaluate the situation with your supervisor and review this JSA's recommendations. For die issues, the die shop will need to record the details. If the die plugs, pull the die, shear the excess metal, and wax the die if needed. After these steps are complete, insert the die back into the press and refire. Lead out extremely slow after putting a die back that has been pulled. Step number 4. Adjustments to table after lead out. Hazards include burns and hands and fingers caught between. If the weld breaks, call the supervisor and set the extrusion back up after fixing the weld break. For the next billet, triple burp to ensure a good weld.